Legends of Learning presents the Wind Simulator game. This is a science game that makes learning about weather and climate factors fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, can you change wind and air pressure according to your will? You'll have to figure out how to make weather patterns and even cyclones. Play this wind simulation game and learn how high and low pressure systems affect the wind. Your goal in this game is to align a red arrow with a white arrow. Click and drag the arrows around the map until they turn green. You will note that the arrows must remain green for a certain amount of time. If not, you will have to try again. Next, you will have to click and drag the high pressure or low pressure around the map to align the arrows and ensure that it stays green for the designated time. Complete all 8 levels and win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.